Hi, second graders. Today we're going to end our unit about learning time and money. So today we're going to review on how to tell a time on an analog clock and turning it to a digital time, vice versa to digital time to an analog clock. First, we're going to practice putting time on an analog clock. The first one we have, I want us to do 7:45 and turn that into an analog time. So first, we're gonna grab our clock and then we're gonna find the hour hand. Our hour hand should be the shortest one on the clock. So our hand should be pointing at 7, between 7 and 8, since it's already past 7. So 7 is right here. Then I want us to find the minute, 7:45. So 7:45, let's count by 5, starting with 1 over here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So we're going to put our minute hand on the 9 because that's equivalent to 45 minutes on a clock. So 7:45, that's our first one. 7:45. 7:45 is right there. If I can get my thing together. Then the next one we have is 9:30. I want us to write 9:30 and put it on the analog clock. So let's count by 1. Let's find the hour hand first and let's put it to 9, between 9 and 10, because that's an hour hand. And then the 30, let's count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 9:30 should be over there. Should be over here. So that's the 9:30 on the clock. 9:30. Let me show that to you. 9:30. Then the last one we have is, I want us to put 1:11. 1:11. 1:11 on the clock. So let's start with finding the hour hand. The hour hand is right here. And I want us to put that at 1 right there. Then I want us to put the minute hand to 11. So let's go starting by 5, 10. We're not stopping there because that's only 10. I want us to move a little bit down here to get where we at, which is 1:11. Let me get to that real quick. 1:11. That's 1:11 on the clock. Let's move on. I want us to do some more practice on how to write an analog time into digital, because that's a lot of practicing we need to do. First, I want us to write 11:40 to a digital time. That's 11:40 because that's not pointing at 12 yet. It's still on between 11 and 12. So I want us to consider that as 11. And then I said 40 because when we count by 5, 8 is equivalent to 40. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So our time is 11:40. 11:40. All right, one more. Next one we have is this. At first, let's go find the hour hand and the minute hand. So the hour hand is the shortest one, and then the minute hand should be the long one. So the shortest hand is pointing at the middle of 2 and 3. Then the hour hand is pointing at 2 and 3, and then the minute hand is pointing at 5. So the hour hand should be at 2, since it's between 2 and 3. That's considered as 2. And then the minute hand is right over here. I want us to count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So our time is 2:25. Alright, second graders, that's it for our lesson today, but I want you to practice at home on continuing learning time, because next week we're gonna have our tests overall test for this unit, which is the time and money.